guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Krishi and you are watching me on Abilip Sharat. So I have created this cobalt smoky eye sort of a look. If you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Let's start with the look. I've already prepped my skin. I'm starting with my eye makeup first. So I'm filling my brows using a brown shade from Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. Using an angled brush, I'm going with small strokes to fill in the gaps. I'm not overlining my eyebrows, I'm just going with my natural brow shape. Oh, I created a mess here. Using a concealer will clean that mess out and will give our brows a neat and clean look. The concealer I'm using here is Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And along with that, I'm just prepping my eyelid for the eyeshadow. It is important to prep your eyelid before you apply any eyeshadow, especially if you are applying any dark shade. Repeating the same with the other eye. I'm using a flat brush here. Oh, that looks good, na? Okay, for the eyeshadow, I'm using SFR Colors 63 eyeshadow palette in the shade Flower Show. I'm taking a deep Prussian blue and I'm just placing it in my outer V. I'm just placing it. It looks messy right now, but we'll blend that out. I'm just intensifying the color. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend that shade. That's a clean fluffy brush. I'm gonna diffuse any harsh edges that may be there. It is important to blend your eyeshadow nicely, and I'm repeating the same process, just placing the color and blending it until I'm happy with the intensity. Keep on blending. Again with the same blue shade. I'm taking another clean brush to blend all these colors out. Color. I'm taking a black shade from the same palette on a point brush. Pencil brush. And placing it in the outer V, like outer corner, and we'll blend that out. Just first place that black color and then blend. When you are going for smoky eyes or when you are playing with dark shades, make sure you blend your eyeshadow properly, otherwise it doesn't look good. I'm going with a shimmery cobalt blue shade. Oh my god, this shade, this is the prettiest. Just placing it in my lid, like 1/3 of my lid. That looks good. And sorry for the flickering of light here, like changing in color of light. That shade, blue shade. This is a shimmery blue shade. You can use any matte blue also. And I'm blending again to diffuse any harsh edges. Eyeshadow is all about blending. If you don't blend well, you don't get that perfect look. Repeating the same process with my other eye. When I'm happy with my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a kohl. I'm using Elitine's Eye Drama Kajal in the shade Bold Black. And I'm using it in my waterline. And using a pencil brush, I'm gonna smoke it out or smudge it out using the shade blue, Prussian blue shade. I'm cleaning any fallouts using a wet wipe, and I'm using Makeup Revolution's blush palette in the shade Hot Spice to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. It is a very pretty silverish pink highlighter. And now I'm going for my foundation. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I'm just placing that foundation using a foundation brush and then buffing it out using a buffing brush. This foundation is good for oily skin. This gives a matte finish. And I'm using a beauty blender just to soften all the harsh edges or lines. For concealer, I'm using the same Wet n Wild concealer to highlight my under eye and the highest points of my cheeks, like the bridge of my nose, my chin, around my mouth, forehead, and the area where I need little more coverage, where I have acne scars and all. And now I'm gonna contour. I'm using a brown lipstick here. This is a nice hack. If you don't have a contour stick, you can use a brown lipstick instead. Just contouring in the usual areas, hollows of my cheek, jawline, forehead, nose, a little around my mouth, and blending it out. Make sure you blend your concealer and contour seamlessly. I have blended that. Now I'm going to blend the concealer under my eyes. It is important to highlight your under eyes, especially when you are using dark shades. Otherwise it makes your eyes look dull. See, instantly it has covered all my dark circles. Just blending in all the products. And now I'm going to use a loose powder. This one is by Lakme Absolute. I'm going to bake my under eye, because I belong to the oily skin type, so I don't want my concealer and foundation to crease. So I'm going to bake my under eye, and I'm powdering all over my face. And I'm going to dust off the excess powder using a fluffy brush. It looks good. And for blush, I'm using the same Makeup Revolution's blush palette. I'm using a coral and a peach sort of a shade, mixing these two together for my blush. Just apply on your cheeks and a little bit on your nose. And for highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighter. Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Oh no, it is in the shade Blossom Glow, I guess. Just highlighting my usual areas, my forehead, bridge of my nose, cheekbones. And for lipstick, I'll be using NY based liquid lipstick in the shade Snuggle Me Not. This is a pretty brown shade. I've used a lip gloss over it. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, and I have applied Falsies off camera, and this completes the look. It looks pretty, right? If you like how this look has turned out, then please hit on the like button, do comment and share. Thank you.